The topic of today's video is how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Facebook Lite. Now, unfortunately, you can't really turn off end-to-end encryption per se. You can turn off secure storage, which will prevent your encrypted chat history from being stored remotely. So if you hop onto another device, you won't be able to access those chats as they will all be stored locally. All right, so we are on Facebook Messenger, unfortunately, not Facebook Lite, but they are interlinked. And the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom right corner, those three little stripes that say menu. Next thing you want to go to settings right on the top, and then you want to scroll down to privacy and safety. And then we want to go to end-to-end encrypted chats and message storage. And then we want to go down to turn off secure storage and press continue. And that is all I have for you. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.